This video is about registries. An example which will be reviewed now is NCR registry developed for one of logistic companies. What is the main mistake which is done by majority of employees when working with registries? The main mistake is that they don't think about consistency of information. For example, if we have company X, one person will write company X, one person will write just X, another one X Ltd, company X Ltd. So many different values are written into registry for just one item. Therefore, it's very important to create drop-down list for registers, as it was done, for example, in this register for column vendor, for column status, only open and closed, and for NCR type. Besides such drop-down columns where drop-down is required, we may have some columns where free text is entered, as H column, for example. Another important thing is properly format columns depending on the data which they contain. For example, as you can see, leading zeros are saved in column A. How is it possible? It's possible because the column is formatted as text. Excel does not accept this information as number, but stores values as text. Another important thing is work with dates. If you are writing date, you need to verify that Excel accepts information written to date as a date and not as a text. It's very simple to check whether the date is date or no. You need to simply change format of cell to number. Another interesting thing about this registry is user-friendly highlighting. As you can see, closed NCRs are highlighted in green and opens are highlighted in white or not highlighted. Let's see how it works. So we select NCR number 4, it's closed, we change its status to open and see that it's white now, and vice versa. For first NCR it's open, we change it to close and see that line is highlighted. This is done using conditional formatting functionality in Excel. So we talked about consistency information. If the register is properly filled in this case, different kind of analysis are possible with that register. For example, here we done analysis using pivot tables. First pivot table indicates distribution of NCR by vendor. Second pivot indicates distribution of NCR by type. And last one is used to calculate number of closed and open NCRs. Visual Basic for application module was created to refresh data. Just click on it and all information in tables are refreshed. Based on these tables, charts were created. First chart, pivot chart, represent information distribution by vendor. Second indicates distribution of NCR by types. And third shows open and close NCR distribution.